Good morning, students. Previous class we have learned from D. We remember two examples A and B. Now today we have to study three examples C, D, and E. Now first example given 4-digit number. Actually this one 1, 2, 3, 4. 7,000. Yesterday I told how to read that one. Ones, tens, 100,000. 7,574 is the predecessor of dash. Predecessor means what? Predecessor means before number. Predecessor means before or previous number. Predecessor means before 7,574. Which number we will get? Before number means 7,573. This is the predecessor of 7,574, or otherwise in 7,574 predecessor means always do minus 1. Always do minus 1. Predecessor means. Now 4 minus 1, 3. This is 7, 5, 7. 7,573. So your answer is 7,573. Now D example, the number with 2 at 100 place, 4 at 1's place, 6 at 1000 place or period, and 8 at 10's place is dash. At first make place value chart like this: 1s, 10s, 100, 1000. Now after that we have to put one by one number below that. Now what is the place value of 2 here? The number with 2 at 100 place. So below 100 you will get here 2. 4 at 1's place. So below 1's place, which number we have to put? 4. 4 at 1's place. And 6 at 1000 place. Below 1000 place, which number we have to put? 6. And 8 at 10's place. So below place value of 10, you have to put here what? 8. So required number is 6,284. 6,284. Understood? Now, next example. E example, rub. If you want to do rub, we have to do on the side. The place value of 9, the place value 1000 period, which number we have to put? 6. And 8 at 10's place. So below place value of 10, you have to put here what? 8. So required number is 6,284. 6,284. Understood? Now, next example. E example, rub. If you want to do rub, we have to do on the side. The place value of 9, the place value of 7, the place value of 7 in 9,763 is dash. The place value of 7. Here in question ask only the place value of 7 only. In 9,763. Place value of 7 on of which number here? 7. So make write this number and below that write place value chart. 1s, 10s, 100, 1000. 1s, 10s, 100. Now here which number place value asked here? The place value of 7. So where is that 7? 100. The place value, what is the place value of 7 here? The place value of 7 is 100. So you can write here 700. Or 7 into 100. 7 into 100, you will get here 700. The place value of 7 is 1s, 10s, 100. So 700. The place value of 7 is 700. Understood these three examples? Again one time I will explain. The 7,574 is the predecessor of. Predecessor means previous number. So or otherwise minus 1. So before 7,574 we will get number 7,573. the number with 2 at 100 place, 4 at 1's place, 6 at 1000 period and 8 at 10's place is. According to question, you have to make place value chart and write their numbers. Next question, the place value of 7. Here in question 9763, we have to write the place value of 7 only. So 1s, 10s, 100. So place value of 7 is 700, or 7 into 100, 700. And question number 4. Sonia is playing a board game with her mother. At the end of the game, Sonia earned 5,927 points. Write her points in numeral. Here given, so 1s, 10s, 100, 1000. So we have to write now number below that. Below 1000, which number we will get? Look, 5000. Place value of 1000 is here 5. So write here 5. 5900. Place value of 100 is 9. So write below 100 9. And 27. 27 right here 2 7. 27. 5927. Over. We have to write. It is given in words. We have to write in numeral. Numeral means in number. So 5927. So understood. Before going to next question, we have to study ascending and descending order, because in question number 5th it is written ascending and descending. So you should know the meaning of that. Ascending, what do you mean by ascending, and what do you mean by descending? So at first we will study definition of ascending order. Arranging, simple only definition, arranging the number from the smallest to the greatest. If numbers were written 2 or 3 number or 4 numbers, then we have to arrange the number from the smallest to the greatest. That is called what? Ascending order. And descending order means just opposite of that ascending order, arranging the number from the greatest to the smallest. So understood, ascending means smallest to the biggest or greatest, and descending means greatest to the smallest. This definition keep in mind. Question number 5th, arrange in ascending order. Already I told ascending means arranging the number from the smallest to the greatest. Is called ascending order. Here 3 numbers were written. Look at how many digit number? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 3 numbers. All the 3 numbers were in 4 digit number. How to read? 1s, 10s, 100, 1000. 6062, 6792, 6163. These 3 numbers were given, and we have to arrange the given number in ascending order. Ascending means smallest to biggest. Now how to know which number among these 3 number, which number is smallest? So compare, always start comparing from the left side. Now look at in which number is given here. 1s, 10s, 100, 1000. In 1000 place here 6. Here also in 1000 place 6. Here also 6. In all the 3 numbers 1000 place is same. So leave that number and compare. Before 1000 we are getting there 100. So look at 100 place. Here 0, here 7, and here 1. Now 0, 7 and 1. Among we have to do that one. Encircle means. Encircle the greatest number. Which number we have to circle? Greatest number. Among this 1, 2, 3, 4 number, we have to circle the greatest number. And cross. Cross means like this. You have to put. Cross means draw. This is cross, and cross the smallest number. Now these 4 numbers were written. In solution I have written them 9263, 5000 as it is. Now among these 4 number we have to select the largest. At first encircle, we have to circle the largest number. Now how to compare? Again 4 digit number only, all 4 numbers. So compare from 1s, 10s, 100, 1000. In 1000 9 here. 1s, 10s, 100, 1000 here 5. 1s, 10s, 100, 1000 here also 5. 1s, 10s, 100, 1000 here also. Here 9. So 9, 5, 5, 9. Which number is greatest among 5 and 9? 9. But 9 came 2 times. Here common, same. So compare next number in 100 place. Now here given 2 and here given 6. Now among 2 and 6, which number is greatest? Greater number 6. So among these 4 numbers, the greatest number is 9600. So encircle means you have to circle the greatest number like this. over this one. Now next one is given here, and cross the smallest number. Now among these four numbers, which number is smallest? We have to search that. Smallest, look that 9, 5, 5, that already over. Now among these three number we will select the smallest. Now 5, 5, 9 and 5, 5 means 9 is greater, leave that one. Now 5, 5, this number, in these two number we have to select which number is smallest. Now in 1000 place, both place values were same, so compare 100 place. Here 2, here 6. Now 2 and 6, which number is smaller? 2. 2 and 6, 2 is less than 6, isn't it? Like that. So 5200 is smaller than 5699. So among these four number, 5200 is smaller. So cross the smallest number. Understand? Now last question we will study. What it is given? Question number 7. Write 4-digit number. How many digit number we have to write? 4-digit number and complete the table. Table given here. Here written, repetition is allowed. Greatest number, smallest number. Here condition given, repetition is not allowed. Greatest number, smallest number. Means you have to write here one greatest 4-digit number, here smallest. According to 3, 7, 1. We have to write greatest and smallest 4-digit number. But repetition is allowed. Here you can repeat. That means you can repeat the number. And here also while making greatest and smallest. Now you tell me, greatest means biggest. Which number is from this number biggest? 2, 3, 7, 1. Which among these four number, which number is greatest or biggest? 7. So you can write 7. Here you can repeat. How many digit number we need? Required 4 digits. So you can write this 7 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 7777 is the greatest 4-digit number when we repeat the digit. In the same way, now we have to write here smallest. Among smallest, which number is? Among 2, 3, 7, 1, which number is smallest? 1. So 1, write 1 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Over that question. Now here this over. Now here condition is given. Repetition is not allowed. Repetition is not allowed. You have to write now. No need to repeat the number. 1 means 2, 3, 7, 1. Which number is greatest? You have to go in descending order. 7 means biggest. 7. After that 7, which number? 3. After 3, which number will get there? 2. And after that 1. So 7321 is the greatest 4-digit number when repetition is not allowed, that number. Now smallest, just opposite of that, 1, 2, 3, 7, or 1, after 1, which number you will get there? Which number is there? 2. After 2, which number? 3. And after 3, which number coming there? 7. So 1237 is the smallest 4-digit number. Here total A, B, C, D. 4 examples were given in question number 7. I am explaining only 2 examples. Remaining 2 you have to do homework. Over. Now next question. Means next example 2, 0, 5, 3. Now repetition is allowed. Which number is greatest among this number? 2, 0, 5, 3. Which number is greatest? 5. So write here 5 4 times. 5555. 5000 how to read? 1s, 10s, 100, 1000. 5555. Now this is over. Greatest. Now smallest. Now among that which number is smallest here? 0. So if you are writing 0, if you are taking, what will happen? 2, 0, 5, 3. 0, 0 if you are writing like this. So if you are writing 0, if you are taking, what will happen? 2, 0, 5, 3. 0, 0 if you are writing like this. This is wrong. This is not 4 digits. 0 means nothing. So we can't write like that. So after 0, which number is present here? Smallest 2. So 2. Now you can write here 0, 0, 0. Now this is 2000. So 2000 is the smallest 4-digit number. If you are writing before 2, if you are writing here 0, this 4-digit number, not possible. This is not 4-digit number. 0 means nothing. So you have to, after 0, you have to look which number. return. That smallest number you have to write. Now this is 2000, we can read. So 2000 is the smallest 4-digit number. Now repetition is not allowed. Next means greatest number. Now which number is greatest here? 2, 0, 5, 3. I think 5. After 5 which number? 3. After 3 which number? 2. And after 2 0. Means 5320 is the greatest 4-digit number when repetition is not allowed. Now smallest we need. Smallest if you are taking what? Among this number 0. Suppose 0, after that 2. After that 3. After that 3. After that 5. Can we say that this 0, 2, 3, 5 is the 4-digit number? No, this is not 4-digit number. Why? Because 0 means no value, means 235. The meaning of that, this we can read like this only, 235, not 4. This is 3-digit number, but we need here 4-digit number. So you have to interchange the place. 1, 10, 100, 1000. This is 1000 and this is 100. So you have to interchange their places. In place of 1000 you have to take 2, and in place of 100 you have to take 0. 0 you have to put in second place. Means here you have to write 2 and here you have to take 0. 2035 is the smallest 4-digit number. So understood this question? Again one time I will repeat that one. We have to write here, write 4-digit number and complete the table. 2, 3, 7, 1. Repetition is allowed. So select greatest number. 2, 3, 7, 1. Greatest number is 7. So write 7 4 times. Smallest number is 1. Write 1 4 times. Repetition is not allowed. So go in descending order. 7, 3, 2, 1. Go in ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 7. Over. Now next question 2, 0. When 0 is there, keep in mind lot of mistakes you are making here while solving, writing that smallest here particular. So keep in mind greatest number, no problem. 2, 0, 5, 3. Greatest number is 5. So write 5 4 times. Smallest number is, many students were writing in 0, 0, 0, 0 like that 4 times. Take after 0 which number is present, that number you have to check that one. Here given 2. So write 2 and after that 3 zeros. And repetition is not allowed. Greatest number 5, go in descending order. 5, 3, 2, 0. Here go in ascending order, but 0 you have to place it right from left side, second place. 2035. So today homework only question number 7. This one I explained, this one I think A, this one A, and this one B. Today's homework B and C. B and C. 2 example try to solve in your notebook.